Welcome for watching this channel. This channel is designed for the hoping of helping related approach in different environments. Can multiple channels be made in the YouTube using one account? How can multiple channels be made in the YouTube using one account? Hope that you can find the good answers in this video. This video is one of the account video series, namely how to create YouTube multiple channels using one account, which may be helpful for the creation of multiple channels using one account in YouTube. It shows the detailed steps for the creation of multiple channels using one account in YouTube with video clips and related information. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Starting of how to create YouTube multiple channels using one account. Firstly, we need to understand the feasibility of creating multiple channels in the YouTube using one account. You may wonder that one account may corresponding to one YouTube channel. How can multiple channels using one account be made in the YouTube? The brand account plays an important role in the answer of this question. This may be one of the advantages of using the brand account. The principle bases on the fact that multiple brand accounts can be associated with one Google account. In other words, the relationship between the Google account and brand account is one to many. Besides, one brand channel can be associated with one brand account. You can find more information on the relationship between brand account and brand channel in the video, namely how to create YouTube brand channel in this channel. In other words, the brand channel is linked to the brand account in YouTube. As a result, multiple brand channels can be created using one Google account. Based on the above logic, the creation of the multiple brand channels can be made by the creation of the brand accounts using one account in YouTube. How to create the YouTube brand account? You can refer to the video, namely how to create YouTube brand account in this channel. The method of the creation of multiple brand channels using one account is the same as that of the creation of multiple brand accounts using one account in YouTube with the following steps. Step 1. The first step for the creation of brand account in YouTube is the login with the Google account. After login with the Google account, the top right-hand corner will show the icon of the successful login with the Google account as in the following video clip. Step 2. The second step for the creation of brand account in YouTube is the use of channel switcher. In the browser, you can try to use this link for the internet web page of the YouTube channel switcher. The internet web page of the YouTube channel switcher is then something like this. Step 3. The third step for the creation of brand account in YouTube is the clicking of the Create Channel button as the following video clip where appropriately. Step 4. For multiple brand accounts or brand channels using one account, it is need to repeat step 3 until the appropriate brand accounts or brand channels using one account are created. Excellent. Congratulations if you can understand how to create YouTube multiple channels using one account. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to create YouTube multiple channels using one account in this channel. You can also watch the other related videos such as the how to create YouTube brand account and the how to create YouTube brand channel in this channel. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Hope that you can find this video helpful.